Hello learners, in this video we will learn how to use property with match clause to get all the property related to your node, as well as how to use property to get a specific node in your database. So we will perform these tasks in this video, like get all movies that were released in specific year. Okay, actually released is a property in our node. So how you can get all the movie which is released in a specific year and view the retire, and we also learn how to view the retrieved result as a table, and how you can know all the available properties for your database and get all movie release in specific returning their titles. So here we will go for forward and just display the titles of our movies based on specific year. Okay, not means full node, and after that we will display the another property from the graph, movie graph, and apart from that we will learn how to use a custom headers in the table based on for your query. Okay, let's get started. So here we need to retrieve all movies which is released in a specific year. So n movie, and here you need to give your name, year released and year, and return n. Okay, now you will able to see these are the movies which are released in 2003. Okay, and next task is view the table. Okay, how you can do that? You can check these things like in a form of table like this. So this is option, and how you will get to know what properties available this with your database. You need to type call db dot properties keys. Okay, and execute this call, and you will know means how many property available with your database. Okay, and now next we need to specify, and we need to return their titles only. So for that you will use this and change this to 9 and return at the place, and whole node will just return title. Okay, so here you can see we will get only one movie released in this, and just change this to 2003 and go ahead. Now you are able to see, and how you can display another property like name and dot name and dot title and dot tagline and dot rating and dot lead and dot roles. Okay, now execute this. Now you are able to see all these things related to our least year movies. Okay, now how you can give a meaningful header for your search queries. For that, let's say remove these things, like, okay, here you use as movie. You note this thing, for this name you need to use backticks, movie title. Okay, and for this as movie title, movie tagline. Okay, and as movie rating, and here as movie released year, and here you go as movie roles. Okay, now execute this command. Okay, there is some problem. Let me check where is a problem. Okay, this is not a backtick. backtick 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 backtick. Okay, so you are able to see, now you will able to see meaningful header for your query. So that's all for this video. Please subscribe, share if you like my videos. Thank you very much.